Uh, Hello, doctor. May I know your name, sir?
I am Dr. Bharath from Ezhil Hospital, Ariyalur.
Okay.
I
And
am using the sound-rich Python harmonic for more than 3 years now. It is very affordable and very good for it. Very good for handling also.
how is
Mainly it
the
is affordable.
okay? Thank you. And how is the performance on the patient in the
Yeah, it
surgery?
is good. It is good. It is
Okay.
as equal to other things.
Okay. And what about the after sales service or accessories
After-sales
cost?
service is very good.
Okay.
Shiva sir is providing good service. That's
Okay,
what
sir.
I'm happy about.
Thank you. We are looking for a long-term association.
Sure.
Anywhere, any complaint or any problem you face, you feel free to contact.
Sure.
Or any technical input, any provision you want from us, feel free to contact us.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Can you,
Thank
sir,
you, sir.
repeat your name and...
I am Dr. Bharath, Ezhil Hospital, Ariyalur, Tamil Nadu.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you for using SoundReach, Axon SoundReach harmonic scalpel.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much,
Thank you.
sir. Thanks for visiting.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.